What's up guys, it's Team Heart Life Captain Albert here. So we've got a video of some reels that we're gonna unbox from Avet. You know, it's always awesome to get new gear in, and I don't care how many times I've seen a brand new reel, I love opening the box because it feels like I've got Christmas all over again. So yes sir, figure I'd share the happiness kind of deal. Get peanuts out here first. Another reel. They're just falling out of the box here. So let's see what we've got here. Reels, got another reel, and another reel. I think we'll save this one for last. I'm gonna have it facing this way so y'all can't really judge the book by its cover. We'll start with the smallest one, which is the S6. And we've got a pretty little blue one right here. Look at that. That's just awesome. So what I like to do is I do a little function check on the reels. Make sure the clicker's working. Spool free spools and everything else. And it's kind of hard to see, but I'm actually spinning the spool there to make sure it's good. I don't feel no knocking or clicking or anything like that. Low gear it so you can hear what I'm actually doing. Oh yeah, that is nice. And one of the things I do have to admit is that with Avet, they've actually increased their notch notification on their preset drag right here. So for your lever drag, it's controlled by your preset right here. So before, it really didn't have the availability to count how much you were actually doing, and now they've actually increased it. So I love that improvement on the reels. That's just one of the things. We've got the SX. We'll go ahead and go with this MXL right here. We got a green one. That is a pretty green right there. So yeah. So again, go through, make sure they're good to go. Engage my clicker. Kind of deal. Check my preset, how that's working. Low gear it. Disengage. High gear. Yeah. You know, with every company, doesn't matter who they are, you want to do a function check with it just because, something can happen in shipping and or, they're put together by humans, so human error will always take a part in it. It may be smaller with most companies than others, but that's something you'll always want to look at. Ooh, and this one we ordered specifically for one of the rods we got in-house. Wow, that's a pretty purple right there for sure. There you go. Go ahead and get my low gear going. Yes sir, that looks very pretty. So we're gonna do a video with this rod, with this reel on that custom steadfast rod we got going. So yeah, we're looking at it for sure. Now we've got our LX here. Oh yeah, nice little assortment of reels. Very smooth. Oh yeah. Gotta love it. Unboxing a whole bunch of ifs. Wish they were mine, but they're not. So there we go. And now our final reel. I can feel the warmth off this, and this is a hot box for sure. Oh yeah. Look at that, another Patriot in house. So same thing with this one. I'll do me a little function check. That is loud. That's what we always look for too. Beautiful. There we go. And you know what's crazy is this is the reel we're giving away for the 3,000 subscriber mark. So if y'all haven't watched that video and haven't gotten in, haven't subscribed to the channel, you're missing out. You're about to miss out on a lot of free tackle. Oh yeah, that's very nice.